Had enough of the overlay64 module DLL error blocking your game engine? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've prepared a repair to get your game files running again. I recommend the automated system scan for overlay64 module to finish your setup in seconds. This is the overlay64 module, a specialized 64-bit library frequently found in hardware monitoring tools like RivaTuner or game trainers. It manages the injection of FPS counters and mod menus into a 64-bit game's DirectX pipeline. Because it uses process injection, it is frequently deleted by Windows Defender. If missing, the in-game overlay will simply fail to appear. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. The overlay64 module DLL library is a specialized component of the Localized graphics overlay orchestration system, and you must reinstall the program you are trying to open to restore the internal file structure if this file is missing. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including overlay64 module. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing overlay64 module DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. To reduce uncertainty around library management, the diagnostic tool below includes informational content on synchronizing overlay64 module. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching overlay64 module today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.